today I'm going to read you another story. It's going to be called Anansi the Banana Thief. Let's start. One day, Monkey went out shopping. I want to buy fish and some mangoes, he said. What else do I need? Bananas, said Anansi. You should buy lots of bananas. Yes, I do need bananas, but I don't need your help, said Monkey. You always get me into trouble. Go away. Anansi. That's a tricky name. But as Monkey was busy paying, Anansi took the bananas and ran off into the woods. Monkey was scared. Lion lived in the woods, but he had to get his bananas back, so he followed Anansi. Just then Monkey heard a cry. Help! Help! Then Anansi appeared. My friend Lion is stuck in the pit. I helped you buy your food, so you should help me rescue Lion. But lions eat monkeys, cried Monkey. Uh-oh. Anansi threw Monkey's tail into the pit. Lion grabbed the tail with his teeth. Uh-oh. Anansi pulled Monkey. Uh-oh. Monkey pulled his tail. What's going to happen? And Lion was saved. He was also hungry and started eating Monkey's tail. Help me, Anansi, cried Monkey. Uh-oh. Lion, aren't you going to say thank you? Asked Anansi. Thank you, said Lion as he opened his mouth. Monkey's tail fell out. Monkey ran off as fast as he could. Lion chased him. Anansi took Monkey's food home. And good mornings. Work, he smiled. I do like bananas. That's the end of this video. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and follow my channel. Bye! And my Instagram.